This Mercedes Sprinter 170 extended van is full of surprises. The spacious garage comfortably fits 2 bikes, while the rooftop storage box adds convenience. With sleek black Rhino rims and a Van Compass suspension kit, this van is ready for any adventure. Inside, enjoy a cozy table and convenient storage under the seat. Our signature ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. The van kitchen features a microwave, eye-level fridge, and plenty of drawers for all your culinary needs. Stay comfortable with the hydronic heated floors and undermount AC in any weather conditions. We've considered every detail, from the indoor hot shower to the ingenious pull-out sliding toilet. And when it's time to rest, sink into the bed with all the comforts of home, complete with a sliding shelf for watching movies on iPad, speaker, and reading lamps for the perfect ambiance. Write in the comments which feature captivated you the most.